Hey guys, today I wanted to do a comparison video between two rather large Lily Jade bags that I have gotten several questions regarding. On the left here in the blush is the Lily Jade Lorie, and then on the right here is the Lily Jade Meggan in Brandy. Now, I do like both of these bags. I have to say this one particular, the Lorie, is a lot wider than the Meggan. But as far as capacity goes, I'm pretty sure, in my opinion, I kind of feel like they hold pretty much the same as far as what I take. I will say this one opens, the Lorie opens really, really nice, and you can see easily into the bag. So does the Meggan. I don't have any problems with that. And there are some differences as far as the outside storage. For instance, on the Lorie here, you only have the magnetic pocket here, and then there's a zip pocket on the back of the bag, which is very, very long and quite deep. On the Meggan, you have a front pocket here and then two side pockets here that close with the little magnetic clip, which is, it works. Both come with your tassels, both the backpack wearing, and they both have D-rings. They both have gold hardware and gold zippers. So I actually have the Meggan packed up today for, gosh, 2 or 3 kids, because I went out with all of my children. So it does actually have what I came home with inside the bag. I haven't unpacked it or anything like that. One thing I do want to say is I have actually removed the cardboard from both of these bags in this section, in between the lining and the leather. I'm not saying that's something you should do, because that will void your warranty, but being that I'm in Australia, my warranty pretty much is non-existent anyway, unless like something major happens. I'm kind of on my own once the bags get here, and that's fine because I've never had any issues with my Lily Jade bags. But just to let you know, that's probably why this bag looks a little bit more slouchy. This one I just did it to. I'm hoping it will get a little bit less boxy and a little bit more slouchy, because that's what I prefer, especially if I'm wearing it on my back or I'm slinging it over my shoulder as a tote. Get started on the Meggan. As I said, this is in the Brandy, and I see how this is just a lot more floppy now. I really, really do like it since I've taken it out. I only did it last night. Very, very easy to do. If you want any suggestions on how to do it, send me a message and I'll have a chat with you. I'm not going to get into that in this video. Back to the Meggan, you do have, I said, you have this front pocket here, and in here I usually just have my iPhone 10 and my lipstick and lip gloss in a small set piece by Jujube. The side pockets here, I do have my keys in one, and then on the other side I have my hand sanitizer. There isn't a zip pocket on the back. I do have this in backpack wearing mode with the backpack strap, or the messenger strap attached, and I find this bag extremely comfortable to wear backpack style because it is long. I'm more of a long bag on my back than a square bag on my back kind of person. So going into the center, there is a nice long zipper, and that's what I have inside. Just on top, I've got a little vest thing that my daughter was wearing and she got hot, so she handed that to me. It went in the bag. I also have a Beanie Boo my son handed me, and then the rest of the things are actually things I packed. So in this back zipper here, I have my coin purse with my brush in there. In these two front pockets here, I just have an It's Ritzy snack bag in one side and a packet of gum in the other side. In the main section of the bag, this is how I've been packing a lot of my bags, and it worked fine with the Meggan today. So I've got a Lily Jade medium packing case with my nappy knees. There's 2 size 5 nappies, a light change pad by Jujube, and a coin purse. And I have 2 custom-made play pack holders, my girls. I have a wipe pouch 30 with just regular wipes in there, baby wipes. I've got an NCO Nari here that I've been using in my Lily Jade bags and such lately, and it's been working out really, really well. In this front long pocket, I've just got a coin purse with some panty liners in there. Also got a packet of tissues. Then in the center here, I've got my med kit, mommy kit, small set piece. And then this is a Turkey Pops small set piece by Jujube. In here, I actually have the Baby Olay cotton shopping bag that I've been taking with me because Australia has gone completely green now as far as not having plastic bags at grocery stores. So I just take that everywhere now, And this is awesome because it folds up really small and it goes into a small set piece really easy. And just to let you know that Baby Olay's has actually ceased their collaboration agreement or whatever with Tokidoki, so they're no longer making those products. So if you like the Tokidoki products by Baby Olay, you better get your hands on them now because pretty soon they're not going to be available. Anything I have at Zara Boutique is it, that's it. I can't get anything else. So yeah, just to let you guys know out there. So that was in the Inari. I also have a Fontainer with water and my Lily Jade wallet. So that's everything I had in the Meggan, and it was really nice to carry like this today. So let me just show you how that fits into the Lorie real quick. So in this front pocket here, I do put my phone in there. And then in the back zip pocket, I think I'll put the wipes in there, actually. And that, as I said, this is a huge pocket, so you could even fit other things in there. Actually, I might put my keys in there too. And I usually do have this backpack mode, but my messenger strap is on my Danielle at the moment, so I'll pop that back on if I take this out and about, because I do like wearing it backpack style. Really long zipper on the Lorie, and it opens up like really well. I usually do use this with the insert, but just for this video I'll show you how everything from my Meggan fits in there, so you can kind of get an idea. So here is my Inari, we'll pop that in there like that. I'll pop my nappy Lily Jade packing case in there, my wallet, just pop that in the front like that. My 2 play packs, pop those behind, in between the Inari and the Lily Jade packing case. I'll put my snack bags in the same pocket, gum in the same little pocket there, coin purse in the back here, like that. Okay, so I've got my drink bottle, pop that over there like that. Now the other things I've got left that I have to find somewhere for is my lipstick and lip gloss and my little, hand sanitizer. So what I might do actually is put the lipstick and lip gloss in this pocket here instead. I'll pop this just kind of on the other side of the drink bottle, and I'll pop the hand sanitizer actually into the Inari like this. You can see that. And this actually does zip up, so that's really handy. So I'll pop that back in, and then I guess I can also pop these things on top like I had before, and it zips up just fine. So I really do think the Meggan and the Lorie have a very similar packing capacity. They're just a little bit different. Like the Lorie's kind of like a little bit longer like the Madeline would be, and the Meggan's taller like the Shaylee would be. So I don't know, which one do you guys like best? Do you like the Meggan or do you like the Lorie? What's your favorite between these two? Just leave a comment below and let me know. So hope you guys enjoyed that and have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.